Hi Crafty friends, Lace here, the cheeky bum, and I have a project share for you. So I am in a swap called the Lady Whistledown group swap, and it is held by Tiffany, who is Happy Girl Tiff on Instagram, and I believe on YouTube as well. And you know, a lot of she's part of the Scrap Diva design team, and she asked many of us girls if we wanted to participate in this Lady Whistledown swap. And me being a Bridgerton fan, I obliged. I've done some Bridgerton swaps in the past, and I've hosted a one-on-one swap, and I did a pocket letter. So I really love Bridgerton, so I decided, yes, I definitely wanted to be part of this swap. So let me get my chair all set. So this swap, the requirements were to do a book stack or a suitcase, a wand, a Memdex, ribbon samples, 6 flowers, 6 rosettes, and 10 die cuts, and a crafty gift. So this is what I came up with. I have been battling some migraines for the last 2 weeks. Like, I'll have them for 4 days at a time, which is kind of crazy. I'll feel better for a couple days, and then I had another one. So I definitely wanted to do more for the swap, but I did what I was able to do under the circumstances. So I'm going to do my book stack first. So this is my book stack. I only did 2 books. I know some of the girls, because someone I think I've seen one swap reveal so far. They did a suitcase. No, so I've seen 2. A suitcase, and Larissa did a 3-book stack. I only did 2 just because time restraints, and I only did, like, it was a make 2, get 2. I only did 2 swaps, but I do have some gifts for Tiffany instead of making her a full swap because I just did not have the time. So this is my book stack. It just says Bridgerton. I created this little paper slipper. And we have the Lady Whistledown Society paper. We have a stack of envelopes. I do like put in some symbolism in here because I really like Bridgerton. So I have some envelope stacks because if you know, Penelope Featherton, spoiler alert, is Lady Whistledown, and she does a lot of corresponding and letter writing to like Colin and stuff like that. And she's always writing. So we have an envelope stack here. We have a little diamond for diamond of the season. We have a little key. It's a little heart key. Doesn't mean anything specific, no, but a lot of them are like holding, their cards close to their heart. It's about like growing and unlocking those feelings that you might have for somebody else. I don't know. It's just symbolism to me. We have a little bee on here because if you know, bees play a big part. I did also kind of stick with the color purple. So I did like purples, pinks, and blue. There's a little bit of blues in there. Each season, each girl basically has a color. Season 1 is Daphne Bridgerton, which is blue. Bridgerton is Bridgerton blue. Each family has their own color. Season 2, we see the Sharmas, which are purple girlies. Season 3 is... Who is season 3? I can't even think now. Is it Daphne? And Penelope. And Penelope, like the Featheringtons have like these crazy ugly colors, but Penelope comes into her own and softens those colors up. But anyway, Kate is one of my favorite characters from season 2, and her color is purple, so I really stuck with kind of more purpley and pinks. So that's why we have purple. We have a little bow on the back. There is a little bee on the back as well. So there's that. We'll do the bottom drawer first. Here is my rosettes. I put them in this little envelope. Oops, I still have some glue strands. So sorry. We have a little bee on here with the faux wax. Man, glue. Sometimes like hot glue is hard to get off. And in here, I created, I think, 10 rosettes because I did like my little mini rosette, vellum rosettes. They were to be plain rosettes. They weren't to be decorated. So I have a whole envelope full of those. And it's just Velcroed. And then down here, these are my flowers. this is a new technique for me that I did where you spritz them, and I took like a scoring type of tool and kind of made some ridges. They kind of look like, what are those? Is it daffodils that I'm thinking of? I'm not quite sure. But this is the KS Craft bouquet. And I put these on acetate so they just kind of slide in and out. I'm not gonna really wrap those much so that, I mean, they just stay in. So there's that drawer. And then this drawer, I have some wax seal stickers because we can always use those. In here I have postcards, I have envelopes, I have bits of parchment, I have feather quills, and I have other just writing fountain pens and some ink jars, ink wells, I don't know. But I did everything in sets of 2, so there's 2 of everything when I did the die cuts. So we have those. I also did 2 Bridgerton books. These ones are dimensional, they're on foam. They're supposed to be simple die cuts, but I have a really hard time with simple die cuts. So we have a couple Bridgerton books. I have a couple fans, and they are backed as well, so they're nice and sturdy. So we have some hand fans, and these are swans, and they're for cards. So I was gonna make some cards, but I just don't have time, so I just included them in my die cuts. And there's 2 sets in here, and you just fold these flaps over onto whatever card you're doing, and they kind of like intertwine like this. And I just thought, oh, they're so romantic and so precious. And I tried to do some other die cuts other than like, because these are all Scrap Diva girlies, or I'm pretty sure we're all Scrap Diva girlies. I'm not 100%, so don't quote me on that. So I tried to do other die cuts than what they might already have in their stash. So I tried not to do Scrap Diva dies, if that makes sense. So we have these the swan cards and stuff like that, and this one. So that is my book stack. We are also to have a ribbon sample. I have these really pretty like satin ribbons, and they're already on these really kind of shabby chic spools, and I just thought those were cool. And the new Scrap Diva release has got a lot of shabby chic things, so I just left them as is and just put them in a cute little package like so. This is my mem decks. We just have a teapot. It says tea time. We have a Lady Whistledown Society paper. We have some flowers. We have a little bee. And on the back, I created this little print. It just says Lady Whistledown Society paper. It says, "Dearest gentle reader, Lady Happy Girl Tiff cordially invites you to join her in her first group swap of the season. Will you be the diamond of the season?" And then it's just got the swap information down below. And then here is my wand. I really struggled with the wand. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do, and I didn't have this part on the bottom yet, and it needed something, so I added it, but then it covers up my little tassel. So we have a little dance card because they go to so many balls and dances. So we have our little dance card that moves. We have a little harp. There's always playing music, and I have just some flowers, and a bow, and then I'll probably put a sticker or something on the back. I haven't decided yet, but I wanted to cover that up. And then there is a little tassel on the dance card as well. So there is that. And then my gift, I'm gifting a tier tray. So this is a 3-tier tray. I did decide to do pink because pink is the most universal. And I just thought that this would be so cute on your desk to put all your embellishments on as you're working on, you know, swaps or, you know, Scrap Diva projects or other projects that you might be doing. You can put all your bits on your trays. And I just thought that they were really, really cute. And let me see. Let me get my gifts that I have for Tiffany.